Hi children, once again welcome back to 6th standard English class, and in this class I am giving the introduction of the syllabus. Introduction of the syllabus, which language? Of course you know, I am taking English. Of course I will give you the English introduction itself. This is your English textbook. It is provided by the government, and this is the book for your 2 semesters, for the first sem as well as for the second sem too. And here are some lessons, units, unit 1 to 10 you have, and 1 supplementary reading will be there. For first sem, from 1 to 5th lesson, 1 to 5 lessons, and poems 1 to 5. It means for every unit you have 1 lesson and 1 poem. 1 prose and 1 poem you have. First one is God Find His Master, and the poem is March. In the same way, the Good Samaritan, trees, Galileo, spring, friend in need, rain in summer, self-reliance, piping down the valleys wild. So this was your first semester's syllabus for your 6th standard, and continues to the second sem. Here is the second sem syllabus: True Height, Nature's Friend, I Want to Quit the ICS, The Comet and the Moon, The Gifts of Nature, The Ant and the Cricket, The Rose for the Princess, An August Midnight, The Touch, My Heart Leaps Up. These are the next 5 chapters, 5 units. It will be for your second semester. In the same way, you have a different textbook for grammar too. So this is your grammar textbook. This is a Holy Faith grammar as well as a composition textbook for you. And here are the syllabus. You have totally 27 chapters in this. In this 27 chapters till 22 you have a grammar lessons, and from 24 to 27, it means next 4 are your comprehensions. Comprehensions in sense, you will be learning story writing, how to write a story, how to write a leave letters or a letter writing, and you will write short descriptions giving the pictures and explaining about that pictures, and last one is comprehensions. Okay, these are the things you will learn in the comprehension. There are 22 chapters you have. In these 22 chapters, 11 chapters will be for your first sem, and remaining 11 chapters will be for your second sem. Then what are those 11 chapters? Let us see here. Countables and uncountables, the use of a or an, the use of a some and the, elementary negatives and questions, possessive cases of nouns, possessive adjectives and pronouns, uses of self, adverb orders, personal pronouns, introduction to interrogatives, to and enough. This is for your first sem syllabus. First sem syllabus. Next one, some, any, one and once, no, neither, none, comparisons, have got, have conjugated with, without, do, causative use of have, must, have to, needn't, ought to, used to, need and dared, imperatives, short forms, response and question tags, do and make. These are the 11 chapters. It will be for your second sem. So this was your first and second sem syllabus, and this was your 2 textbooks you are going to read for your whole year. So this is about your introduction of your syllabus. Thank you. Have a great day.